Right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Tesla's scheduled departure features. So first things first, guys, you want to hop into your Tesla and power it on. And then on your touchscreen, guys, okay, while you are parked, make sure you're parked. Most of the settings on your Tesla you can only do when you're parked. So when you're parked, what you want to do is you want to tap on the controls icon that is located at the bottom of your touchscreen. Click on that. And then, guys, what you want to do is basically you want to scroll down and select charging, right? You want to select on charging, and this is the section where you can manage all your charging preferences, including the scheduled departure feature. Here you actually see the scheduled settings, right? So in the charging menu, you want to look for the scheduled departure option, right? Under scheduled settings. So you just want to tap on it, and you're going to basically see an option to set your desired um, departure time. Just choose the time which you plan to leave, and this will help your Tesla precondition the battery and cabin for optimal driving conditions. So basically, once you have set your departure time, you can also adjust the preconditioning options. So this allows your Tesla to, heat or cool the cabin and battery before you head out. So make sure to toggle on the precondition a battery option. Make sure you toggle this on and precondition cabin if you want those features activated. So after you configure everything to your liking, don't forget to save your settings. As this is very important. Make sure you actually save your settings. Just simply tap on the save button to ensure that your scheduled departure is all set, guys. And actually, I'll give you a bonus tip. So for best results, consider setting your charging limit to around 80% or 90%. This helps extend your battery life while ensuring you have enough charge for your trip, guys. And that's it, guys. You have successfully set up Tesla's scheduled departure feature. For more ways to upgrade your ride even further, guys, check the link in the description. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see